Dear students, I am Umesh Mishra of LPM Public School Gola Bazar, Gora. Dear students, I will explain on the topic of congruent triangle. First of all, I will explain congruent. What is congruent? If the shape and size of two objects is same, then two objects are called congruent. 1 rupees, 2 coins, or you may say 2 coins of 5 rupees are congruent. Similarly, when two line segments will be congruent. If the length of two line segment is same, then two line segment will be congruent. For example, if you consider line AB 5 cm and take another line CD. These two lines segment AB and CD. AB equals 5 cm. If CD is also 5 cm, then AB and CD will be congruent. And we write this congruency as like AB congruent CD. Our line segment AB congruent line segment CD. Now, when two circles will be congruent. Two circles will be congruent if both have same radii. For example, if you consider a circle of radius 5 cm and another circle radius of 5 cm, then both circles will be congruent because both circles have same radii. Now, when two rectangles will be congruent, two rectangles will be congruent if length and breadth of two rectangle is the same. If length of one rectangle, if you consider two rectangles A, B, C, D, and another rectangle P, Q, R, S. If AD equals 5 cm and CD equal 10 cm. Here, if PS equal 5 cm and SR equal 10 cm, then rectangle ABCD and rectangle PQRS will be congruent. Now, when two angles will be congruent, two angles will be congruent if they have same measure. Just like this is angle POQ and other triangle RPS. This angle POQ and RPS will be congruent if measure both angles have measure 30 degree and also 30 degree. It means two angles will be congruent if they have same measure. Now, two squares will be congruent if both have same side. Now, when two triangles will be congruent, consider two triangles PQR and X, Y and Z. Consider two triangles PQR and XYZ. Two triangles PQR and XYZ will be congruent. Congruency of triangles will follow in four conditions. First condition is yes, congruency. Second, angle, side angle, congruency. Third, side angle, side congruency. Fourth, yes, congruency. Yes, congruency. Yes, congruency means side congruency. In triangle PQR and XYZ, if side PQ corresponding sides are equal, it means if PQ equal XY, side QR equal YZ, and PR equal YZ. This corresponding side equal, then triangle PQR and XYZ by SS congruency will be congruent, and we write this congruency as this side triangle PQR congruent triangle XYZ. It is the congruency of yes. Now, next congruency is angle ABC angle. Yes means side. ABC angle. Angle side angle congruency. It means if two angles and corresponding sides are equal, if two angles and corresponding sides are equal, then two angles will be congruent. और यहाँ पर if angle P equal angle S and side P2 equal side XY and angle Q equal angle Y, then we can say triangle PQR congruent triangle XYZ by angle side angle congruency. Now, third congruency is side angle side congruency. Side angle side. It means if two angles, if one angle is made by two sides and angles made by two sides of corresponding triangle are equal, then by side angle side congruency triangle PQR congruent triangle XY. It means if this side PQ equal XY and angle Q equal angle Y and QR side QR equal Y. Here this angle made by this side PQ and QR and this angle made by side XY and YZ. Then by side angle side congruency, triangle PQR congruent triangle XYZ. We write this triangle PQR congruent triangle XYZ by side angle side congruency. Now next congruency is RHS congruency. You consider this congruency we consider two triangle which is right angle triangle. For example, this is triangle X, Y, Z in which angle Y is right angle. And take another triangle P, Q, R. Here angle Q is right angle. In this triangle X, Y, Z and P, Q, R, angle X, Y, Z and angle P, Q, R right angle. And if hypotenuse X, Z equal VR and side YJ equal QR, then this triangle XYZ and PQR will be congruent, and write this by if XY equal XZ equal VR angle XYZ equal angle PQR is 90 degree and YZ equal QR. Therefore, by RHS congruency triangle XYZ congruent triangle PQR. This is the fourth condition for congruency of triangle. If two triangles XYZ and PQR are congruent, then its corresponding side or you can say corresponding parts are also. If triangle XYZ and PQR are congruent, then angle X equal to P, side XY equal to PQ, side Y equal to side QR, and side XZ equal to PR, and angle Z equal to angle. This is all about the congruency of triangle, line segment, circle, rectangle and a square. That's all.